Hey everybody, I just finished making a bag before work. I actually made this yesterday, but I made the handle before I headed into work today. And I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my very messy sewing room, but I reorganized it yesterday. So here you go. All right, I'm gonna try to keep this high because the floor's a mess. This is also a room that the cats hang out in a lot, but I wanted to show you all where I make my bags. Boop, there we go. So I like that this is the smaller bedroom I have upstairs, and I like that it isn't very big. It actually functions really well for me to not have to move around a lot. So I took all my stuff to the shop on Sunday. So when I came back, I reorganized this a little. I put my light way up high. It had been down there. The cats were sleeping on the fabric I left down here. So I moved one of my leftover cat beds in here, and both cats have used that already. But this is my sewing table I found online that's got a space for a sewing machine right here. I could set everything up right here, but instead I'm using it for my batting and filler. I've got my fabrics reorganized by color again, some of the new things, what I just used. Bigger amounts of fabric and linings are down there. Kind of have enough room for my cutting. Then we've got, I need to unplug that before I go to work. I've got my sewing, try that again. I've got my ironing board all set up. And then over here, I've added some extra light. That's what I did yesterday. I finally cleaned this area off. This was a hot mess. That side still is. But this is my new sewing machine. And all of my thread, some is leftover, some is new. I put all my quilting and sewing books down there. And so I can iron my fabric, I can cut, I can come over here and sew, and basically just stand up to press my seams open. So I really like this setup. Oh look, both a cat and my zippers are down there to select from. So yes, part of this is a hot mess, but some of it's not. As you can see, when the sun is out, it gets really bright in this room. I thought I was stepping on a cat. I was stepping on a cat toy. Just to show you that the cats do use this when they hang out with me in here, or they sit in the sunny spots on the floor. So I'm going to try to do a video this week on Magic Loop, but we'll see. When the shop is busy or when there's just stuff going on, may or may not happen. All right. Have a good day, everybody. Easy, baby, huh? You don't have to get down, but you're gonna. Okay.